So I'm going to show you how to take a video that you have recorded in your building, upload it to YouTube, and include subtitles at the bottom so that you can provide your non-English speaking families an opportunity to watch your videos and it have their preferred language at the bottom of the screen translated without your Alicia or someone else having to translate exactly what your teachers are saying in those videos. So once you've recorded your video and you've uploaded it to YouTube, hopefully you all know how to do that, go over here to the right side of the screen where your profile is and go to YouTube Studio. Click on Videos. And then I'm just going to take a video that was already recorded previously last year, like when we did Charlotte's Web. So here is the video, and if you hover over, you can see that there's a little pencil that says Details. You're going to click on that. You're going to go to the left side of the screen that says Subtitles. You're going to set your language. Now, because whoever is speaking in the video is going to be speaking in English, it's only going to translate in English. So you might as well you can't select Spanish here. You're going to need to just go ahead and select English because that's the language that the person recording will be speaking. I'm just going to uncheck to make this default. You're going to confirm that. Okay, so now there should be English subtitles for this video. So that is going to be saved. Now, if you want to go an extra step, I'm not necessarily going to do this right now, but I'll show you how to do it. You can click on these little three dots right here, Options, and you can edit on Classic Studio. You can click Edit right here at the top. And then you can actually see, so YouTube is actually auto-translating it for you because it's translating it in the language that that is being spoken in the video. So if you want to, you can actually go through and proofread the translation to make sure that all the words are accurate and that sort of thing, capitalized correctly. I'm not going to do that right now, but I am just showing you how to do that. So then I'm just going to close out of this because I didn't make any changes. I'm going to go back to this screen that I was on, or you could just go to YouTube. And then I'm going to click on the video. Okay, so as you can see, there's this little closed captioning button. If you had not gone through the steps that we just went through, the closed captioning would not pop up. But you just click on that, and now you can see as Miss Lana's reading, the words are popping up on the screen in real time. Okay, here is the part that is going to be very important for your non-English speaking families. There is not a way for it to translate into Spanish that we can already have that set up. So they are going to have to take some steps on their own to be able to see that in their preferred language, if that makes sense. So let me show you. So right now it's translating into English. If you have a Spanish or a Chinese speaking parent, we would give them instructions, and I'm going to record another screencast that I'll share with you guys. But okay, here's what they would need to do. So the closed captioning is turned on. That's the first step. Make sure that's turned on. Then there's this little settings wheel. You're going to click on that. Here you see Subtitles English. Going to click on that. Going to click on Auto Translate. Then they can select the language that they prefer. I'm going to select Spanish because that's the only other language I have in my building. Okay, so now it automatically translates those words from English to Spanish. So if we play it again, you can see that Miss Lana's still obviously speaking English, but the words that were originally translated English are now translated to Spanish. So pretty simple, pretty handy in my opinion. Going to be really good for our parents that do not speak English, but we still want to provide them an opportunity to be able to understand what's happening in the video. So like I said, it is going to be a few steps that they have to take on their end. But hopefully they'll make the effort to do that, especially if we give them some clear instructions. So hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.